Hey everybody. So a little while ago, somebody asked me in the comments section how to adjust their shifter height. Now it's actually really simple. It's just that the threads can get backwards and if you don't know what you're doing, you might break some. So I think I explained it well enough in the comments section, but maybe not. They never said if they got it adjusted or not. But in either case, I decided I would make a video on this. There may be others out there who are wondering how it's done. So figured I'd put this together. In order to do this, all you need is a 10mm wrench and a crescent wrench. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so down here is where your adjustment is. This is acts like a tie rod on your car if you've ever replaced one of them or adjusted it. And then you have a nut here and a nut here. Whatever you do, be careful of these wires. And you're going to want to come to the back right hand side here. And on the back of this, it's set up for a wrench. In this case, we're going to use a crescent wrench. Put that on the back here, and you need to loosen both of these nuts. Now, this one is reverse thread. So normally you would figure righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, but it's the opposite. It's righty-loosey, lefty-tighty. So we are going to turn it to the right to loosen it. So take your crescent wrench and hold this side firm. Make sure the crescent wrench is on good and tight, otherwise you're going to round it. And just turn that one to the right. Then come over this one, be careful of the wires, and you're going to turn it to the right as well, because it's standard thread. I'm going to go ahead and take this off so I can move the wire out of the way better. Put your wrench on here and loosen this. Okay? So if you move the nuts in, turning it this direction, so like righty-tighty that way, it's going to raise your pedal up. I don't know if you're seeing that. See how it's going up? And then turn it the other way. It'll go down. Once you're done, go ahead and tighten the nut. Remember, this one's reverse thread, so. Now, there are torque specs on these nuts. They are 7 Newton meters or 62 inch-pounds. I do not have a wrench adapter for my torque wrench that allows me to torque that, so I'm just going to make sure they're on snug. Again, make sure your crescent wrench is on snug, and remember, this is going to be left tight, this is going to be right tight. I guess that might be confusing. Turn both nuts down. And there you go. Your shifter's adjusted. Go ahead and put the wire holder back on here, and you're done. That's all there is to it. Like I said, it's a pretty quick video, but if you need to adjust the height of your shift lever, that's how it's done. There isn't much adjustment, but there should be enough for whatever you need. I know some people have bigger boots and it's hard to fit their feet in underneath. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Stay safe out there. Keep the roadside down.
Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I will try and answer everyone's questions as soon as possible. If there's anything you would like to see, any tips, tricks, techniques, anything at all motorcycle related, please let me know. I do these videos for you, so anything that you would like to see, I am more than happy to do it. If you like this video, please click that thumbs up button. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and click the bell to notify you whenever a new video drops. Thank you again. Ride safe and keep the rubber side down.